Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be kind of like another vlog. It is currently 11 p.m. I already had breakfast. I had overnight oats. I will leave the recipe down below on my description. I always put my recipes on my Instagram, so if you guys don't follow me there, make sure you guys go follow me. It's makeup by Erica 19. I will leave a link for you guys down in the description as well. Today I'm gonna be picking up some packages that I have. I haven't gone to my PO box in 2 weeks. I live in far and my PO box is in Edinburgh. I don't have a car at the moment, so it's really hard for me to travel there. I do not want to pay $9 for a lift. $9 there, $9 back. That's already $20. I'm like, I don't think so. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll open them with you guys. So if you guys would like to see this vlog, see the packages, see what I eat in a day, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you these flowers that were sent to me. They are super pretty. I put them up myself, so if they look a little crooked, do not come for me. The lady that sent them to me, she also sent me this shadow box right here, and it just says makeup by Erica, and it's super pretty. I am gonna paint my room soon. I don't know when, but I will. And I have this shelf, and I have makeup palettes and then just junk. And down there I have like some packages and my skincare. But look at how beautiful the flowers look. I am thinking about painting my room like a light pink, so it'll go with that. And then over here I have my makeup section, which is a mess right now. I have like a little old desk from Walmart. I need to get it replaced. And down here I have all my makeup, but we gotta do what we gotta do for now until I can get a better setup. Alright guys, so I decided to work out early today because I am gonna have a busy day. I still need 10 more minutes to go. So tired. I am not a morning person, but I need to get into the routine of waking up early so that my body is really exhausted, and then at night I could finally fall asleep. I'm gonna finish up this workout, and so I'm done with my workout. I'm gonna cool off a bit and then take a shower so we can get headed to my PO box. Today's workout was hard, but I pulled through. Look at the sweat. Terrible. So I ended up going to eat first, and I went to Fuddruckers and I got this great salad. It was so good. It was really big. I had leftovers, so I ate that for dinner, but this is what it looks like. And this is their grilled chicken salad. Super good. Definitely recommend. Alright guys, so I just woke up from like a 2-hour nap, so disregard what I look like. I've been breaking out right here. I don't know why. So we're gonna start opening the packages, and the first package that I have is from Jelliwink Cosmetics. Rude. Let me put this on silent. It is currently 7:40. I woke up like at 5:30, but I just been bumming around. The only thing I hate about packages is like these little annoying. Okay, so there's a couple of things in here. Little brush cleaner, and this is what it looks like. It's just like a little brush cleaner, and then in the back you can use it also like to wash your brushes. Okay, next on the package she sent over this little pack right here, and I think they are I don't know if they're glitters or these are like chunky glitters. And then we have this one, which is a little bit more fine. And then she sent me 2 pressed pigments, a yellow and an orange. I have a little compact. I think it's a highlighter. Okay, so I've never seen this packaging on eyelashes. It's like actual metal, and it has like a little button right here. And look at how cute this is. Okay, so these are the lashes. Super nice, and it does come with a mirror. And this packaging is really bomb. She also sent me a lash applicator. This is what the outside looks like. It's called Frida Paint Reality with the colors of your dreams, Jelliwink Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. Ooh, it is pretty. This is what the palette looks like. Definitely will be using it for a colorful look. So these are some of the swatches. I'm not the best at swatching, but beautiful, beautiful palette. Thank you so much, Jelliwink Cosmetics, for this package. Next package is from ColourPop, and I do have a discount code, which is 5Erica, which saves you $5 off your purchase. So make sure to save some money. So this is the California Love collection. This retails for $18, and it is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful palette. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch some for you guys. Ooh, this is a chunky glitter. So here are some swatches. They sent over a lot. I don't know if they're liquid lipsticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They sent 7. I don't know if they're what they are. Oh, I think some of the, oh, these are 2 mascaras. So we have a brown mascara, which is called Brownie Points, and I love their colored mascaras. And then we also have like a peachy pinky tone. So these are the mascaras right here. One of them's brown and the other one is like a pinkish orangish color. I think these are liquid lipsticks. Let me go ahead and check. Yeah, these are liquid lipsticks. We have this like orange one, and then I'm just gonna open 2 of them. We have this, ooh, this beautiful, beautiful nude. Okay, so thank you so much, ColourPop, for sending me those goodies. We have another ColourPop package. This is their honey collection, and it is all yellow. Look at this, guys, all yellow. I'm super, super excited. Okay, so the first thing I see is this Catch Some Sun brush set. It comes with 6 brushes, and this retails for $20. These are the brushes that it comes with right here. Some blending brushes, some crease brushes, a pencil brush, and a flat brush. Next we have the Pocket Full Loose Pigment Duo. This is $12, and it looks like this. It comes with a yellow pigment and then like a gold shimmer. Super, super pretty. This is the Here We Glow Again face bundle. So this retails for $24, which in my opinion is super, super cheap. And it comes with the Glow Up face oil, the turmeric face milk, and then a lippy scrub. This is what they look like. So this is the oil and the turmeric milk. And then we have a lippy scrub. I like their lip scrubs because they're not super, super chunky. They're more like kind of chapstick, and I like to put them before I do my foundation. And last but not least, we have the honey palette, and this retails for $12. And this is what she looks like. All yellow tones. I believe there's a glitter. Yeah, there's a glitter. 3 shimmers, 1 glitter, and 5 mattes. This is what it looks like. This is a glitter right here. I'm really excited to try this palette out. Once again, if you guys would like to purchase anything from ColourPop Cosmetics, you can go ahead and save $5 off your purchase using my code, which is 5Erica. Alrighty guys, next package we have is from Pixi Beauty, and I've been seeing this package go around my Instagram. I've seen all my Insta friends get it, so I'm really excited for this. Pixi is one of my favorite skincare brands, so I'm really excited for this. So this is what the package looked like. Look at how beautiful. This is the Pixi Skin Treats Vitamin C Daily Dose of Skin Brightening Pack, and it comes with 5, and it is for all skin types. It is paraben free, vegan, gluten free, and I don't know how to say that, but it's free. This is, I am excited for this. It comes with the vitamin C lotion right here. I actually wanted to buy this at Target the other day that I went with my friend Alicia. This is a Pixi Vitamin C Juice Cleanser, which looks like this, and this is huge, guys. I'm really excited to try that out. Next we have the vitamin C caviar balm. I love their balms because they give you a tacky feeling, and I love a tacky base for when I do my foundation. Next we have the vitamin C serum, which looks like this. And last but not least, we have the vitamin C tonic, which is a toner. So I love toners, so I'm really excited for all of this. Thank you so much, Pixi, for sending me all these goodies. Alrighty, guys, so last but not least, I have one last package, and this package, I have never worked with this company. I've never heard of this company, but I'm really thankful that they sent me this. I've never ever tried these products, so we'll see. This is hemp oil collection with Jamaican black castor oil, and it is for your hair. This is hemp oil infused with pimento oil, neem seed oil, and black seed oil, delivering protection and moisturization. Okay, I do not know how to read. Delivering protection and moisturization to consumers, which I do not know how to read. So it is these 3 little bottles. They look kind of like chemicals, but this is what it looks like. And we have 3. We have the hemp oil infused with neem seed, the hemp oil infused with black seed, and then the hemp oil infused with pimento oil. So one of them, it encourages anti-breakage for brittle hair. The other one, it leaves hair feeling moisturized, and then the other one helps shield and protect the hair. So I'm really excited to try these products out. Like I said, I've never tried these products before. I've never heard of the company before, but if you guys want to check them out, I will be leaving everything on the description down below. This is by Jamaican Mango and Lime, and thank you so much for sending me this package. So those were all the packages. I just want to give a huge thank you to all the companies that do send me products to review, try out. It really means a lot, small or big. I am very thankful for everyone that sends me products. Everything will be linked down in the description down below, as well as all my social medias where you can follow me: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys would like to see more of this style kind of videos, let me know. And yeah, I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.